Akşam Metalurji TV is back with a new broadcast. Thank you again for watching. Today we have invited a guest from Rex Materials Group, a leading global manufacturer and developer of products that meet the specific needs of our customers using specially designed high-temperature material systems and refractory products. Their materials include pyrolite, vacuum-formed ceramic fiber, fusion, which is high-purity fused silica, and pyroform HP, insulating refractories, as well as refractory repair and protection materials, primarily for the aluminum industry. Of course, refractory materials, other industries are also available in the company range. We will provide detailed information about those materials on our today's program. Rex Materials Group is part of Alkegen, which we have represented in Turkey for many years. Mr. Michal Brylka'yı is our guest today. He has gladly accepted our invitation and we plan to have a pleasant conversation with him. Michal, welcome to our program. We are very glad to see you in our office. We are also very glad to see you in our office first time. Thank you very much.
Ahmet, thank you very much for invitation. This is the big pleasure to be here. As I told you at the very beginning, I'm under the huge impress of this office. I never seen something like that. Really congratulations about it. Thank you very much for invitation again.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think for YouTube broadcasting, this is your first experience.
This is the really first time.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
However, I accept the challenge. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Firstly, we would like to learn who is Michal Brylka'yı. What is your business profession in this company or before Rex Materials?
Yeah, sure. I'm the mechanical engineer who joined to Alkegen in 2023. However, I'm in refractory business more than 10 years already. I have been always related with aluminum business as the refractory supervisor and as the sales manager. Today, I deal with aluminum part of our business, but also waste to energy. Since 2023, I deal with the Rex products and other stuff from our Alkegen group, dealing with aluminum business and waste to energy business.
Okay, thank you for this nice introduction. Let's give some information about Rex Materials Group Productions. What kind of company is Rex Material? This will be my first question. And then what kind of products does it offer for the aluminum industry? And then I think we need to provide a little bit specific technical information to our viewers.
Yeah, sure. Rex Materials manufactured a wide range of product dealing with high temperature application. We have more than 100 chemical formulation and 1,000 application based on our fused silica and ceramic fibers products. We deal with many industries, including semiconductors, glass, plastic, but of course, the most important industry for us is aluminum, no doubt.
Michal, as everyone knows in the industry, Rex Materials joined to Alkegen Group 4 or 5 years back. What kind of changes occurred in Rex Materials Group after this joining to Alkegen Group?
Yes, being the part of the Alkegen Group gave us big advantages. We have a global reach, access to the new customers, and a huge sales force. And moreover, I'm thinking right now, the biggest advantage is multi-location of R&D centers, which means we can develop much faster than in the past, and we can serve to our customer faster, better with new product development.
Okay, as your distributor also, we see these changes after this joining of Rex Materials Group to Alkegen. Anyway, now I would like to ask you the features of your products. Are there any important features of your of course there are. I would like to learn from your side what kind of features your products have, and if you want to highlight some properties of your materials, this is the time, I think.
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much. When you think about the refractories, you are thinking about the furnace, right?
Right.
Melting and holding furnaces.
Of course.
Thinking about the Rex products, we have to think in everything what is out of the furnaces. So we deal with the products for the transfer launders, okay, for the degasser, filter bowls, for the casting launders, for the covers as well, which has been made from the pyrolite, and the wax stuff table for the ingots and for the slabs. We should focus today, I think so, on two products, okay? The first one, which is the fusion part. We produce a couple formulation of the fusion. However, the most important information I can give you today about the fusion this is the high purity fused silica, okay? It's chemically bonded, 94 to 98%, which is unique on the market. Our competitors, they produce 70 to 74. Why it happened? Because we have a chemical bonded instead of the cement bonded. And finally, our product has less porosity, okay? It's the purity is higher, which means that the thermal conductivity is much lower, okay? Which is the critical at that point, and the longevity, because of the small grain size, are much longer, okay? Our fusion part as timbals, pins, spawns, transfer launders, has a great properties thinking about the thermal shock, you know, and higher purity, as I said before, it's a better longevity, and this is unique on the market, you know. Thinking more about our products, let's focus on the casting launders and the wax stuff table for the slabs and for the billets. The molten metal in the casting launders, the speed of the flow is much lower than in the transfer launders, yeah, from the melter to the holder. So the key point in the casting launders is to keep the heat as stable as possible. With our pyroform HP, we can have a loss at 0.5 Celsius per 1 meter, which is unique, which is the great information for the customer. What does it mean for the customer? You can have a much lower temperature in the holding furnace, so you can save a lot of money. Yeah, do you agree?
Yes, of course.
This is the great property.
I would like to add something to that words after you finish your words.
Okay, so of course I have to mention about the wax stuff furnace. Yeah? Our cross feeders, which are located at the top of wax stuff refractory table, are unique in the world. Okay, there is extremely low thermal mass of pyroform, great thermal isolation and durability, and of course lower conductive heat loss in compared to fused silica. There is the reason behind why we are the the biggest supplier for the wax stuff, who is the premium billets and slabs table manufacturer, and the reason behind is quality and all of the properties mentioned by myself. So we are really proud of this collaboration. You know,
this week we were in a customer that one table was from Rex Materials Group, I mean from us,
yeah.
and another table was from the competitor.
Yeah.
And they have seen that in 2 years the competitor material has failed.
Yeah.
But since 4 years our material is still working there.
Yes. The point is, if we're looking for the advantages, our pyroform HP has 2 times better means lower thermal conductivity than our competitors, and it's, I would say, 2 times stronger. And this is something important for the customers. We sell the quality. Okay, we don't sell the quantity; we sell the quality.
This is perfect. This is the philosophy of your
exactly
company.
Exactly. Since we sell something, help customer solve the problem, they will never go back. They will stay forever. And for me personally, it's very important because I always had a feeling that I want to sell the top quality products, building up the reputation, myself, the company, the products, and every day when you wake up, you have a feeling that you are doing the good things. So I think that's important.
Thank you. Do you want to add the properties of other materials such as refractory repairment or protective materials?
Sure, of course. We have to mention about the easy foam, which is the backup isolation lining. Without that, we cannot achieve such a great properties. Easy fill and easy fill HD, the great repair materials, no doubts about it.
Everyone knows those materials.
Everybody knows about it. And of course, easy coat too. Our boron nitride with the high contamination of boron nitride. I think this is the game changer on the market right now.
You are right. May I have some information about the export figures of Rex Materials Group?
I cannot tell
An
you
idea,
in
just a
detail.
rough idea.
However, I would say the 50% it's domestic, means United States, and 50% is overseas. So I think it's a quite healthy.
It's good. It's good value,
Yeah,
for export.
it is.
Could you please tell us about your facilities in USA, in America? As far as I know, you have 2 different regions. You have 2 plants. Which products are produced in which location?
Yes. We have 2 production facilities. The first one is located in the Council Grove in Kansas. Okay. We produce mainly pyroform, as we have mentioned about it before. And the second facility is located in the Salt Hill, Virginia. We produce mainly fusion parts. Fusion parts, which we have to mention, of course, all timbals, pins, spouts, launders, they are made from the fusion, which is the high purity fused silica, chemically bonded, 95 to 98%, and with the very small grain size, which gives a lot of advantages to the customer. Okay, lower density means better thermal isolation.
Of course.
So small grain size means better longevity. So there is a lot of advantage of fusion parts.
Another question which I would like to ask you is your opinion, of course, about the global aluminum market. We are serving to aluminum industry. Mainly, you're a very big company than us, of course. You have much more expert businesses. What is your feeling about the global market for aluminum?
This is the big question.
Very big. Very big and very...
Yeah. We should have another program about it.
Of course. You're
true.
right. You're right.
But
just I'm wondering your opinion.
Of course. For the years, we have been developed very fast. Yeah. In Europe, for the last 20 years, we have invested millions of euros for the new recycling plants, and we have been growing. Today, all of us knows we are facing with the lack of scrap in Europe, which is the main problems. Of course, the tariffs, which I think nobody knows till the end what does it mean, okay? And it affects into investment. People start to asking itself the question, should I invest? How much I should to invest? When I should to invest? It creates a lot of unknowns.
Yes.
So For sure, this is not the perfect time for aluminum, but I'm pretty sure in the near future we are going to deal with it.
So now I'm going to ask you a little bit private question.
Tell me.
Now we come to, from the global market, we come to the Turkish market.
Okay.
I would like to learn, of course, your opinion about first Turkish market, because since 2.5 years you are working for Rex Materials, you know Turkish market, you have some informations. The second part of the question will be AKM side. I mean, we are the partner of Rex Materials almost 20 years, and we are good cooperation with Rex Materials Group. What is your opinions about those two subjects?
Okay. So answering for the first question, Turkey is foreseen with the high inflation. All of us, we know it. It's not help in business, no doubt.
You're right.
Turkish production plants are the biggest ones, and since I visit since 2 years all of those production, I see that they working for 50%, 60%, 70% of possibilities. So there is a lot of space to grow, no doubt. But I have a good feeling, this country is an 80 million country. Young, very good, educated people, hardworking people. So
you trust the future of Turkey?
No doubt, no doubts about it. You will not see in Europe such a young society. So this is the great information for you as a country, and I'm pretty sure sooner or later it will be on the growing path.
Okay, thank you. What about your Turkish partner, AKM Metalurji?
AKM, this is great.
This is important for us.
This is the great question. This is the great question. We produce the high quality products. If you want to sell the high quality products, you need the high quality people, okay?
Thank you.
High quality service, with the huge knowledge behind, being close to your customers, you know it very well. So we are very satisfied with AKM collaboration. We have a feeling that this is the best partner we can have it in Turkey. This is why we collaborate already 20 years.
Okay, thank you very much for trusting us, Michal. We are nearing to our program. If I forgot something to ask you, or if you invited me to ask you some other strange questions,
okay,
it's always welcome. If I forget something, can you add? No problem.
I would like to say thank you very much for invitation.
We thank you.
It's a big pleasure to being here, to being the part of AKM in Turkey, as a supplier. And what I can say, subscribe the channel.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining us today. Dear followers, today's guest on the program was Michal Brylka, Field Sales Engineer for Rex Materials Group, which we are their representative in Turkey for many years. We work with Rex Materials Group on a wide range of products, including high-purity fused silica table refractories, vacuum-formed refractories, runner and degazzer refractories, as well as refractory repair materials such as easy fill, backup insulation foam, easy foam, and refractory protective product, easy coat, especially for the aluminum industry and wax stuff billet manufacturers. We extend our thanks again to company representative Mr. Michal Brylka for participating in our program, and we kindly ask you to enjoy our programs. Thank you for watching and following AKM Metalurgy TV. Goodbye.